Hello everyone, welcome back. I made this magnifying glass quite some time ago that you see on the screen right now and give it away as a free preset. But I had to make two different ones, one for a 1080 and one for a 4K. Now I redone it and it'll work on both. One preset will work on a 1080 and a 4K. So the free preset will be in the description below. And I'll show you the two ways you can use it. When you go to effects, it'll come as an effect. Look for Magnifying Glass V2. You can drop it right on your picture or video and delete it with a little garbage can here. Or you can use an adjustment clip. And drop it right on there. Then you click on it. Move it around. Magnification. Make it brighter. Rotate the handle. Flip it. And you have drop shadow. I gotta set to 0 for default. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.